All right, you guys, today is a good day. We're unboxing the brand new 2023 Lowrider ST mainframe. This video will be a part of a larger series I show of the teardown of the crashed motorcycle with the bent frame. Engine only had 1,000 miles on it, ran perfectly when I took it apart. But we basically needed a new mainframe and new forks and front wheel and fairing. I got the bike at auction and I found out the correct process. Instead of trying to get the frame straightened or order one off of eBay or that kind of thing, I got a VIN matched new mainframe from Harley Davidson. And it was about $2,950 after tax and shipping. So definitely the way to go. Go talk to your Harley Davidson parts department. If you have a soft tail frame that's bent, I wouldn't recommend trying to get it straightened unless it's for a really good price by a really good shop. So let's unbox this thing and see what we got. This is the first time I've ever opened it. I just cut the tape off. So, oh yeah. Woo! There we go, baby. All right. Super stoked. So Harley Davidson came through. The dealership in this case worked out amazing. Thank you to those guys over there, Smoky Point. All right, she's a thing of beauty. Brand new mainframe from the Harley Davidson factory. Super stoked. They restamp your VIN back on the down tube, back on the neck on the other side right here. Everything's numbers matching. I love it. All right, guys, Blake here with the 2023 Lowrider ST. We have just successfully cut the front part of the bent frame off right here. We're 12 inches down on the down tubes, and then we're 12 inches back from the head stay right here. That's what Harley wants. When you go buy a new frame, they're about $2,400 to $2,600 at Harley Parts, but they do require you to bring in this spec cut of your frame right here. We can see this frame was definitely not usable, and that harness was probably, it's a good chance it was messed up in there, so we're gonna get a new harness, I think. You can see the down tubes. These frames are really, really stout, really difficult to bend. But again, engine runs great. New frame, probably be in it for about 65, 7 grand for a 2023 with 1,000 miles on it. So it's definitely still worth it. But yeah, just be careful. Also too, all the cut shavings, carefully remove these and take them off so you don't get metal flakes all over the engine. And yeah, she's coming right along. All right, guys, got the old Fat Max out right now. We're measuring the 12 inches off the down tube, either direction. I'm gonna just make that mark and make sure we're cutting outside of that 12 inches right now. So I wasn't able to get the harness out because it's pinched right here. Pinched right at this neck, so I'm just gonna carefully cut really shallow all the way around, the best that I can to make that cut. I'm gonna set these at cut them probably about 13. Actually, we'll go 12 and a half all the way around. Just to be safe, this one's set. Yeah, 12 and a half. Cool. All right, we got the oil cooler put back on there so we're not peeing oil out onto the ground, but she fired right up. Look at that, only like 1,000 miles. All right, let's crank it up.